you agree. In this video, I'll be showing you don't press the button. You see that? Don't press the button. Alright, so me and Boss Suity is gonna join in this video today. Isn't that right, Boss Suity? Yes, it is, my man. Alright. Hello, Boss Suity. Hi, my great. You trick little monkey. Hi. How are you today, Boss Suity? Boy. I'm fine, Doctor Who. So, what are we going to do, Boss Suity? Alright now. So, Boss Suity. Yes, sir? Do you see this button right there? Yes. Can I press it? No, you can't. Don't press the button. So that's the title says, don't press the button. So don't press that button. If you press that button, I will call the cops. Okay, I won't press the button. You don't know what happens when you press the button? I don't know. Anyways, we're just gonna stare at this button for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later. Alright, now it's been for 5 minutes. It took a lot of time. Yes, that's right, boss. I said it. I mean, Margaret. Yeah. Anyways, Boss Suity. Yes, sir. Stand up. Put in the window. Simple. Down below. Alright. Video. Pause this video if you need to. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna press the button. No. Don't you dare press the button. I'm gonna do it. No. Don't, Boss Suity. Don't you dare press that button. I'm gonna do it. No. You did it. That's it. I'm going to call the cops. No. Please don't call the cops on me. Get me another chance. Okay, I won't call the cops. I'll get you one more chance. Don't press the button. Alright, fine. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. He is my best friend, Boss Suity, and me. And this is the video called Don't Press That Button. I'm gonna put it in the text box. So watch this episode. Comment below. Watch 453. Don't press the button. In it, guys.
In 2021.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me the massive thumbs up and hit the bell, hit all notifications, and make sure you always subscribe all the time.
Yeah, please subscribe.
For the whole year, guys.
Yeah, or this camera will get smashed with the pickaxe.
Or else I will call the cops. Well, no, fuck. Don't press the button, Boss Suity. I'm gonna do it. No. You did it. What? For the police. Boss Suity, I told you, don't press that button.